When I say I just watched a body, that shit felt like the first time I saw Boys in the Hood and I seen Ricky get shot in the alley. God damn.
And see, there are reasons I ain't a fan of y'all. Clap a cannonball, came to shots fired and laughed you, nigga. I Santa Claus.
What the fuck, man?
I might not have ever seen a nigga get done dirty like this before. Lord Jesus.
This shit done got sour. Century arms. Nothing but heavy artillery. Aiming with power. Hate on who? We gon' send bouquets. Don't say I never gave you the flowers.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. In a word of my mother, this might be the dirtiest body I've ever seen in battle rap history, my nigga. Oh my motherfucking God. Who won? Oh man, it's the... When I say I just watched a body, that shit felt like the first time I saw Boys in the Hood and I seen Ricky get shot in the alley. God damn. When I say I just watched a body, that shit felt like the first time I saw Boys in the Hood and I seen Ricky get shot in the alley. God damn.
Shots fired, make some motherfucking noise!
Yeah!
That's the one! Let's go! It's the one! It's the one! God, chilly! It's 3, baby, main event. Let's go! Ain't gotta do too much. Battle on my left, state your name.
2 teams, Heartless Gang, North.
Alicia! Battle on my right, state your name. Bird. Bird. Make some noise! Yeah! Oh, hey, call it. Here's some tail call. Tails it is. Song Ghost.
I'm on a card. It's a big movie. Every battle. All I talk about is how nice I am and how we'll grip toolies. You know what happens when you call on a ghost, right? That shit's spooky. I just battle for fun. This bag is a hobby. Only 2 outcomes when you in front of ghosts. That's classic or body, and this is a body. Let's rap. It's dead. Life been crazy lately. I caught a case and COVID. Back to back. Solid I remain though. Ain't been thinking about battle rap. I don't even want to compete with geeks. And now I got a fake cold. Sneeze is weak, the heat discreet. In the crowd with it. Lil Uzi with the fan. And it ain't a meet and greet. Now let's talk. I showed you so much love.
Too much.
Say I didn't. You damn near rolled my wave too.
Facts.
Even started talking like me and Bizzle. We peeped the plagiarism. And don't lie and say you didn't. What you gonna put that on, Sneeze? You sneak dissing, bitch. The way you post them stats was mean. But show me a time where you violated and I went to the internet. WebMD. I'm trying to get the facts on Sneeze. We've been in the field. What?
Let's go!
In the field lurking. If we scope him, he'll die. This a late hit on the QB. Yeah. We'll fold him when we slide. He with his peers. What? This a late hit on the QB. We'll fold him when we slide. He with his peers. They rolling when I hide. Grab the cans and pop. Let it rain and clear it out. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. I said, bitch, I will catch you in your stepkid's room. Something loaded a sport. Put your fucking face on the wall. Shit's starting to feel like 90s nostalgia. Let's see if them stars glow in the dark. I ain't have no picks for this card. If it's a big name or a no name, just run me my bread. I'm with whatever, I'm special. But I'm just focused on getting the bag. I'm not banking on battle rap to make it like you. Cause I get money already. I'm just collecting the extras. See, I'm trying to bubble between the lines. And I'm gonna show you the levels. This shit done got sour. Century arms, nothing but heavy artillery, aiming with power. Hate on who? We gonna send bouquets. Don't say I never gave you your flowers, man.
Let's go!
Man, all I did was tell people we ain't cool no more, bruh. I ain't know those words that hurt you. Now I gotta swerve and shirt you. But fuck it, it's a cold world. Red dot on Sneeze nose. Like the kids from the Puffs commercials.
Let's go!
Dog, I'm on some other shit. Kidnap him with the snubber quip. I'm talking Bo bucked in the bed of a truck. It's a hunting trip. You know how many people told me to humble you? This where the shit ends. My click spins. No tough talk unless you got thick skin. Big blade. Catch them in public and cut them for convo. I'm Vic Blends, bruh. Look how she runs. You're going crazy. Bruh. You couldn't beat me on my worst day. Acting like you so fucking important. Me versus Chef Trash, the reason bigger leagues really started fucking with us in the first place. Facts. I took you under my wing. Damn near was your big bro in this shit. And you older than me. But this was deeper than rap. I had a bigger view. Columbus Alive article. I'm the one that told him you should be part of the interview. Never had no rap cat. Never had to fake a friendship. I took off being myself. And that's why I'm an all-around legend. You see, I've been knew something was wrong with the kid, and now I'm taking Bo to school. There's something we need to talk about. Kevin, I ain't calling you out.
That was fucking crazy.
I said I ain't call you out. I was chilling waiting on my next plate. Can't believe they brought Bo to the table. Lou must have bad manners. You arrogant fuck. You think you the rap standard? Are we supposed to respect you? Cause you a gat blender. I will pistol whip the shit out you. Give a fuck if he think he Goldberg. I jackhammers fuck. Let's go. I'm Hawkeye. That mean Bo will get stretched. You set out your own fucking mouth.
Run that back, bro.
You set out your own fucking mouth. Give a fuck if he think he Goldberg. I jackhammers. Nah, I'm Hawkeye. That mean Bo will get stretched. You set out your own fucking mouth. Ain't nobody more goated than Ghostt. Oh, so you know I'm the best. You told one T you was at the railroad crossing. And that was cold. Now them tracks led you to a ghost again. Welcome to the Polar Express. That's oh my God! What? Let's go! Let's go! That was the one.
Bottom of the verse is on Sneeze, man. Started out how I do it. It started out how I knew.
Keep on telling us, y'all get mad.
He laughing. Yeah, some bullshit.
Facts.
Y'all play too much.
They say pressure bust pipes. That mean my whole gang pressure. I am the only pair of pliers on that flyer. Applying the same pressure, I will still lift a spirit up whenever the steel lift. On behalf of all real niggas, we get real pissed at all that fake real shit you be kicking, white boy. Someone should recommend Sarah Quill quick.
Hey, Mom, you not white, right? Oh, okay.
Side note, the real you might as well ride with a nigga doing time. You's a real bitch. Salaikum, Salam. Butter the popcorn, get it shaking, Daquan. I done tore a ligament. I am not playing Daquan. Crucible threw him in the lost and found 2 times. No one is claiming Daquan. All that pride and still can't rain on Bo. Even if you gay, it's Date. Hold on, though. What?
Good shit.
Hold on, let's talk suicide rap.
They used to be friends.
Let's talk suicide rap. Mid-battle, you start spitting to the camera. Screaming, spitting all on the camera. Lying about being demons. See, there are reasons I ain't a fan of y'all. Clap a cannonball, came to shots fired and lapped you, nigga. I'm Santa Claus.
What the fuck? That was fire.
Safety. What? Safety, click, pop, he flipped then flop, knock both your sandals. The more it's time for action, the less we talk, and you knew I was like right there with it. Unless we talk. You felt we owed you the world and showed us how shots fired had molded a girl. Siri, play in Vogue or something. You want a rose or something? You fucking golden girl, oh. And your girl, is it time to get deeper? Is it time to tell these people how you treat her? Huh? Just know, Mr. Ad Black like the bulliest boo. Ghost, am I lying? Bullying on her cause niggas like me bully you, Ghost. Am I lying?
Yes, you're lying. It's like she bullied.
See, we built chemistry. We built a little chemistry. He the one killed that energy. Tried to have empathy, all that pacing and being fidgety started to get to me though.
Fire as fuck. Not as fuck.
Let's go.
I really wish you could have handled not being big as me a little bit differently. Quagmire gun, giggity excited, scratch you off instantly.
Yeah, I feel like that, motherfucker.
Let's go.
I battle Mo, you said this your shit. I agree, I left a while ago. No beef, ain't no Texan calicos, plus you only act big in Texas. Wanna be the Alamo so bad, the gun air,
That was crazy.
leave you nowhere somewhere like a nomad. Ain't no past, they don't put a real asshole in here on your whole ass. Ain't no gas, bang, flip you like a notepad page. I am who made America's favorite boat crash, this bird.
That's crazy. That's fucking fire. Down goes the Titanic.
And you are real roadkill. Every time I've hit the road, I have killed. Every time I hit the road, I have killed.
Period.
OJ 2000, there are thousands who don't like me simply because they know I have killed. Baby be like, what? Baby be like, kill all them niggas. I be like, you know that I will. And I ain't lied yet. Side bet, I will break your shit. Right, followed by a left, like I did a side step. I hold guns.
Let's go. It's a fun, man.
Once again, gun down. Same one gun with one round. You know how it goes. It's only one round.
Okay, man.
Battling you. Why she nagging at me? Why she nagging at me? That's why she built like Squidward after he ate all the Krabby Patties. Let's
go!
So you do like Patty?
I said,
hell no.
You had punchlines.
Bubble bath.
Good for you. But I brought facts. This is gonna be an awful death. You are literally an argument away from being homeless. This is gonna be an awful death. You are literally an argument away from homeless. You fucking house husband. And this what y'all respect? Bro, I done literally seen you ask shoot for money and say, if my wife asks, tell her you lost the bet. Just stop it, bro. She's a bully. Just stop it, bro. You are a one-trick pony. That punchline shit is not enough. Y'all know this bitch be door dashing though? But you sliding on shit, huh? Stop the bluffs. He said he had a Big Mac in the whip. It's because he picked somebody's McDonald's up. I mean, like, seriously, he picked somebody's Is this true? Is this factual? Is this some kind of joke? I mean, like, why try? I heard he pulled up to the burger spot and they fucked his order up. He came home mad as hell, like, babe, I got beef with 5 guys.
That's hilarious.
I know y'all like, this is silly as shit. But he do Uber Eats too. So you really legit. You think you could hook me and my homies up with an application?
I ain't got my L, cuz.
Shut up, bitch. I mean, you think you could hook me and my homies up with an application? I mean, we all qualified. Every one of us pulled up with $1 million. All he do is punch! That's fucking facts! All he do is punch!
Crazy.
But y'all act like Bro Godly, 12 gauge, police pump. My arsenal disrespectful. Yeah, this the old shot. He fucking weirdo be talking and fucking weirdo be talking in third person. It's about to be a whole body. He said he would. He told A knew he would 30 me easily. If you believe it, you dumb. I could have really battled somebody else tonight. You wasn't the first person. But all he gonna see is the gun, but he's nigga. But he's so slick when he rapping. And the group's acting like his life's so fucking good. But booking all these battles for habits. Gotta stress over material. Constantly borrow money. Just, matter of fact, fuck the battle. If Sneezey has ever asked you to borrow money, raise your hand. It's just a lot of people in here don't want, okay, we got a couple. Most of them are your friends, so they don't want to raise, but he done hit up a lot of them just to go home to a bitch that keep nagging at you. But fuck that, Rusty Blade keep stabbing at you, or kidnap him, and let the homies play Operation. Yeah, I brought more men to talk to Lord, and they make the whole spot move. We at the tabernacle, I'm talking. Come on. We at the tabernacle. I'm talking Hardy Boys. Reach for the belt and get the flipping shit. We sending ladders at you. You call yourself.
That's crazy.
You call yourself the hyena though. I'm talking Hardy Boys. Reach for the belt and get the flipping shit. We sending ladders at you. You call yourself the hyena though. It makes sense. The real animals is laughing at you. I'm a shot. I'm a shots fired soldier. You can't match my rank. Unfuckwittable. I'm that type great. Big blade. This my. You better act right, Shank. You doing it. I'm a shots fired soldier. You can't match my rank. Unfuckwittable. I'm that type great. Big blade. This mine. You better act right, Shank. You joined the clique with Verb.
He had to walk up.
Finally living out your battle dreams, huh? I bet that felt great. Bitch, I will bring subs and nines to the island. And it ain't the Maxwell case, but yours. What? Come on, bro! Let's go! But you were supposed to be my mans. I was dropping tears writing your eulogy. That's his boss, too. I was dropping tears writing your eulogy. And I ain't been knocked out my spot yet. They don't know what to do with me. And you can't bar me to death. That shit won't fly. I got diplomatic immunity. I never thought. I never thought we would get here. Hey Lou, AR, seriously, this shit kind of hurt me to do. But I finally figured out why you've been acting so outlandish though. The homies seen you up north buying sub strips for personal use. You are a fucking clown. And let's not forget, I was one of the first top dogs giving dude all praise. And you really been getting by off your style, not off the content. Hungry hippo, frozen dinner, dog dude, man, I could quote the bull all day. If any other top tier in Ohio said some of that shit, we would have got booed off stage. Facts. Ask anybody that's seen us at the Crucible. Ask anybody that's seen us at the Crucible. Outside of what's up and congrats, to him I was barely speaking. 9 hanging out my pocket. The heat I keep it. Remember when I seen you at the liquor store though?
Yeah.
Just me and you.
I got a picture how
We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I look shit right now. I look shit right now. Remember when I seen you at the liquor store?
Let it rap.
I said, remember when I seen you at the liquor store? Just me and you. Asked him if we had a problem. One ain't I shaking, by the way, but that's beyond the point. Asked him if we had a problem. I was trying to peep his reason. He denied every claim. Ain't even look aggressive. And on my granny, When the convo ended, he pulled his phone out and said, let's take a flick so they don't think we beefing. But this is Big Bad Sneeze. The one who be banging ratchets. You know, a couple face tats. Claim he's savage. But when shit popped off at that one event, you ain't move a muscle. Plus my cousin said you was outside watching. Motherfucker ain't even mug nobody. But he damn sure went home and made a status, so... all that gangster shit.
Niggas keep screaming facts.
Doing the same thing.
That's not the same shit. We just rapping.
Everybody calm down. Let them get that right for
We ain't going nowhere. He gonna scream when he sits down. He's sick. Let's go. That nigga up out of here. Start it over right here. You know, these niggas all facts. Like,
Hold it down, man. Only 2 niggas should be talking, man.
Yeah, no, only one.
When we faced off, we don't start crying, we just rapping.
Let's go. Continue.
Rap, let them rap. Let them rap. Everybody.
So all that gangster shit, it ends now. Give a fuck how many years you did. Sit down and don't tell us about the work you used to put in. If you a bitch now, rap.
Bang.
I'm not even moved.
Hey, I thought he was banging your camera.
That's what we doing this morning.
Bro, rock that shit, bro. Don't let this shit bother you, bro. Get your shit off.
What? Let's get this energy up.
You got that nigga tight. You got that nigga tight.
One of the ones. Hot sauce. Bro, ice, dude. That's what he said, to get cream on ice. Look like somebody just seen a ghost.
Columbus is good.
Let's go, Bird. Let's go.
Matter of fact, let's play that. Let's play that real quick. Word to Columbus. You done still passed the bar without all these black card deposits. Word to Columbus. Your backyard was that hard. Bitch, stop it. This is Berg, and the bird is humongous. Got an avatar car in my pocket.
Let's go.
What?
Butcher knife. We're gonna chop it. Give me a hot second. I am top 2 and I am not second. Plenty straps.
Let's go, man.
Over aunties, a full pack turned to an empty pack. All y'all hating, one day I'm gonna catch all y'all hanging, show you what a sticky trap do. I don't claim a lot of many friends. I mean, you say you with me, that's cool. But you wasn't with me at school, and you ain't really litty. I'm cool. I feel like I lost a wrestling match. It is back on the floor. You on thin ice and you'll crack the floor. Not being careful how you walk past the porch, I will literally, Statue of Liberty, grab a torch, run up, smack a door, bullets out the silencer. You don't sound like Road Runner running back and forth.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We ain't about to do a whole bunch of back and forth. Just gunplay, gun spray. Flip side, the kid's meal, big meal. He get the brunch tray. Catch a couple broad day, lunch date. Sneaking up is too played out. Show you how old Wesley done got. Bring a new blade out.
Come on, man. What?
I just put a few dollars on his head last night. You would think a tooth came out.
Bro, come on, man. That was Sneeze, come on.
Talk about the root of all evil. I call on guns, I don't call people. Half you clowns in my class is class clowns. Ain't up to me to be stating the news. You don't get the latest news, ask around. Somebody, anybody act live. Put somebody hat in the sky. No caps, no gowns, the Joker back. Fully auto with the shoulder strap. I am the captain now. You trespassing? The price on that yard twice as hard. Headshot, blood splatters, matter. All along the wall look like psychiatrists.
Come on, let's go.
Turn that shit up.
All along the wall look like psychiatrist cards.
What do you see now?
Rolling around too loud to get you a new muffler. Boys, quiet that car. I was 15 pulling strings on giant guitars. You can't reel me in. I should have killed you then. Ain't feeling you these days. Low key, I ain't really feel you then. Crossword puzzle, they should fill you in. Every slam dunk is a Vince 10. They blowing my phone up. Like, wait, hold up. What if somebody jump in? I say, anybody jump in this battle, they fucking. So fuck it. Jumped in. I'm at a high angle. I'm at a high angle, real big gun with a triangle on the front end. Your complete pay is my front end. We ain't gonna be fronting up here. Past couple months, I've been ruffling feathers. I am David Ruffin up here. Ray Gibson's mailbox. On life, you got nothing coming in here. Crazy, I keep coming in here. I know they gonna mash the gas for you to the pedal brake. Birds start pecking on him. You betting on him, you drove here on yellow plates. Ghetto niggas. From a real ghetto place, all I know is ghetto waves. Gunfight go for several days. Prison shower, metal sprayer. Side note, again, knife out, side poke, and side poke again. Different shots from different directions. Welcome to open gym. Mask off. That way for the future references, you know it's him. What? Mask off. That way for future references.
Let's go.
You can make the wrong approach just by approaching him.
Spit that shit, boy.
No, he didn't.
I get a drink of water. They ready to call time on me.
Hollow tip. Open skin. Certain little shit I ain't with. So things you might have got accustomed to, you need to know that that is not this. Berg is pulling up, just trying to see if the sock fit. P90. P90.
That is so insane, bro. You sleep, bro. I swear to God,
Just trying to see if the sock fit. Yeah, I can't.
Okay, this battle had to happen, but I'm happy at the same time. It's crazy.
Come on, man. Come on.
What?
I said that wasn't that damaging at all. He said he had the Roadrunner gun. You ain't see the picture painted? This where Wile E. Coyote done ran into the wall. What's It's off the top. Go! I said, let's have a little fun real quick though, y'all. If you know the word. I said Kodak voice. We could have been superstars. Remember we was jacking cars. Now it's not safe for you. This motherfucker really think he a wrestler. But y'all let the corny shit slide, cause he be spazzing out. Lord, Robert, De Niro, Boberg, all these fucking alter egos. What's that about? Had to invent a persona because you woke up and realized the man in the mirror ain't nothing worth bragging about. I got all my members with me, and they riding with K sliding. Everything I say violent, acting like you Goldberg. Bitch, you do some boxing. You need to be Bray Wyatt. Now if you know wrestling, that was crazy. I'm nothing like them others. I'll rap to the camera. Keep going. I'll rap to the camera. Go. Rap. If you know wrestling, that was crazy. I'm nothing like I'm nothing like them others. But I can treat my girl like shit. That's a fact. I'm trying to wait this. I said, now if you know wrestling, that was crazy. I'm nothing like them mothers. All these fucking aliases.
He gonna cry in the face.
Hey, that's the last I speak of it. It's wrestling. It's all wrestling. It's all wrestling.
You got it.
Sneeze, are you dead?
Hey, go! Keep rapping, man! Keep rapping, man! Go! Keep rapping! Keep
I said, now if you know wrestling,
Go ahead.
that was crazy.
Hold on, hold it down. Hey, hold it down. Hold this shit down. Let him rap. This is a good battle, y'all. Don't fuck it up. Let's go.
Hey, I gotta let it rock. I got you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey,
Let that shit go.
now if you know wrestling,
Hold it down. Hey, hold it down. Hold it down.
all right, I said, now if you know wrestling, that was crazy. I'm nothing like the mothers. All these fucking aliases. He got split personalities. Is he a psycho brother? Man, I don't give a fuck if it was Kevin or Goldberg. I'll still have him next to a Hulk like the Nitro cover. This bitch holds 17.
Keep going.
I don't even need extensions. Conduct itself in this hole. Switching leagues, no showing battles, burning all these bridges. And I heard he part of the writers again. So him and Jeans break up the makeup, huh? But the solidity diminished. And now that they're cool again, they're gonna say he won the battles. They publicly said I can't believe these bitches. They said he ain't lost yet. They put Berg in front of Kevin Nash. The streak is ending. I know this Hey, the streak is ending. I said, keep rapping. I'm trying, they won't shut up. I said, I know this shit is battering his health. Is he Berg or Kevin? Waking up thinking about battle rap and not even winning the battles in himself. Self-awareness is part of growth. It's not hiding who you really are and only caring about your image. His downfall is his own downfall. His ego is his biggest downfall. That's why he the same Sneeze and not surpassing any limits. You see, I was just trying to teach him something that these other rappers didn't. What I'm saying is, even Goldberg was on top of the world. He never lost, shit was different. 173-0. Until the Kevin is where it ended. He only heard it. Y'all see how I brought that Kevin Nash shit back? I'm going forward cause I'm gifted. Every boy is relentless. Couple people was mad at the matchup. Thinking I could expose them for fun. Supporting me for interest. Been in the bushes, waiting on bro. Throw a party and he finished. Leave him in his front door. I'm talking, soon as they announced this Berg, I was sparking at the entrance. Been in the bushes. Been in the bushes. Been in the bushes. Waiting on bro. Throw a party and he finished. Leave him in his front door. I'm talking. As soon as they announced this bird, I was sparking at the entrance. I'm a tweak. This shit berserk. Like Christmas was shitty, I'm giving shirts. You did the worst. I'm a monster. And violence is my second nature. Like Middle Earth if it's up. If it's up, we get it cracking, you will see though. Louisville the cage. Let's see if them ribs as fragile as his ego. Ain't no questions about mine. I know my bro's gonna blow. I'ma let you know something though. Mini K in the designer belt. I'm talking Draco in the Gucci light. He stole my whole fucking flow. We are nothing alike. I'm with the same gang and I won't fold. So exaggerate all you want. Push all the buttons you need. Never cared for GTA stories. I just play it by the code. How we just chopped it. Hey, how we just chopped it. This shit gonna leave him heartbroken. My dog got the Mad Max hair now. And I just came in with the arms smoking.
What the fuck?
But that was my dog. That was my dog. I tried my hardest to spare you. Revolver to air you. Nothing but a... I said that was my dog. I tried my hardest to spare you. Revolver to air you. Nothing but a stick ready to melt something. And it's a small margin for error. I just bagged this dummy. Threw a beam on the other gun. Enhance the stick work. I got a pack of honey, pause. Or AA-12. And I got a buck for everybody in battle rap. You done asked for money.
When I say I just watched a body, that shit felt like the first time I saw Boys in the Hood and I seen Ricky get shot in the alley. God damn.
And see, there are reasons I ain't a fan of y'all. Clap a cannonball, came to shots fired and laughed you, nigga. I Santa Claus.
What the fuck? I might not have ever seen a nigga get done dirty like this before. Lord Jesus.
This shit done got sour. Century arms. Nothing but heavy artillery. Aiming with power. Hate on who? We gon' send bouquets. Don't say I never gave you the flowers.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You're worried about my mother, this might be the dirtiest body I've ever seen in battle rap history, my nigga. Oh my motherfucking God. Who won? Oh man, it's the... When I say I just watched a body, that shit felt like the first time I saw Boys in the Hood and I seen Ricky get shot in the alley. God damn. When I say I just watched a body, that shit felt like the first time I saw Boys in the Hood and I seen Ricky get shot in the alley. God damn.